So let me tell y'all about this puzzle. First things first, if you don't know or you do know, it's My Hero Academia. It's the top three boys within the show, Deku, Bakugo, and Todoroki. So this puzzle was actually a gift, which was, already special. But what really got me, this took me 7 weeks to finish. So the 7 weeks weren't because it was hard, but because I only worked on it on the weekends. So this was kind of like my self care, quiet, music on, phone down, brain focused only on, one thing. Just me and 1,000 tiny pieces. Honestly, I haven't done a puzzle like this since I was a kid. This is my first 1,000 piece puzzle actually as an adult. And I forgot how grounding this feels. There's just something about puzzles that forces your brain to just slow down. You can't rush it. You barely can even multitask. And you just focus on one piece at a time. And to be honest, this is how anime makes me feel as well. It's definitely an escape, but it's also my comfort zone now. By the way, if you're new here, hey, I'm Jonai Amanai. So I post cozy stuff like this, anime talks, and little moments of self-care, cooking, lifestyle, even my micro life journey. So tune in. Now, I will admit, I have watched a lot of the anime that everyone always talks about, like Demon Slayer, My Hero, One Piece. To be honest, One Piece was the first anime I would say I watched, at least for my adult years. Because people will say Avatar, and I've watched Avatar, but One Piece was legit the first one. And the first episode I watched was episode 25 of season 1. And then I went back and watched the first 24 episodes with no regrets. I finished and caught up with One Piece. I am now on Egghead Island. Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gonna do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Been waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So why are you here? Here to take me back. And the cooking anime, now that's my forte. I love to bake, I love to cook. So those, I sit there as if I'm watching my soap operas. I will say I have watched quite a few cooking animes, And then I've even gotten into the Culinary Wars, but Food Wars, the anime cartoon version, oh, that's probably my favorite. Even though it's my favorite, it is a struggle to watch because I've only been able to watch the first 2 seasons, and there are 5. Why have I only been able to watch the first 2 seasons? Because those are the only ones that are dubbed, other than the 4th season. But the 3rd season and the 5th season are still subtitles. It's a lot. It's a lot. But I still love that show. So I will just stick with keep rewatching season 1 and 2, just waiting for season 3 to get its life together. Also, if you're watching this and you love anime like I do, drop your favorites in the comment or tell me what puzzle I should do next. Even though later on I'm going to tell y'all that I have a Harry Potter puzzle, so tell me what I should do after that one. Because I don't have any more. I have to go out and buy some. So pretty much every weekend I end up putting on some music and I would sit here, no pressure, no rush, just vibe. And so towards the end, Chance the Rapper had put out his album. So I had listened to that, and then that was right before me going to his concert. My first ever Chance the Rapper concert, and it was in Chicago. Outside, you could see the city. It was perfect. The album was amazing. The concert was amazing. When I finished this puzzle, that felt perfect. Like, all of it was just amazing. I still think about that concert, and I still listen to that album heavily. When I tell you completing this puzzle felt like the biggest reward, and I mean that literally, it did come with a poster. And so the poster is a replica of the puzzle. And I never once looked at the puzzle when I was working, so I never cheated. I only used the box. So that's not cheating. So now, what I spent 7 weeks building is hanging on my wall. And it fits so perfect with my room. This puzzle reminded me just how much I love things that just let my mind reset. Anime, music, puzzles, I was actually able to do all of these kind of together, an anime puzzle while listening to music. I really do think I'm gonna do more of these. I have a Harry Potter one, so I can't wait to start that one. And just do more slow hobbies, more moments where I can just sit and focus on just one thing, because working and socializing, gym, all of that, it takes a lot. So this, I'm able to just take a breather. And so if you're watching this and you love anime too, you get it. If this felt calming for you like it did for me, go ahead and like this video or subscribe so you can hang out with me again.